Hello everyone, and sorry for the delay. And here I'm going to talk about the data import tool. So it's in our HRM enterprise in data import. This is our module we are talking about. So basically, there are four things you have to note in this module. There's a database wizard, import Excel, and generate Excel and table profiles. So this module is being implemented for the purpose of uploading the data to the our DB sources. So basically, what we are doing is we need master data. We have long master data. So what we are doing is we are uploading through Excel sheets. So that's what we are doing. So you can create your own Excel sheets, and we have a few templates in EIM module. So basically, I'm talking about these templates. So firstly, you can create your own Excel. So what you can do is just go to the database wizard, and you have to create a profile. So you can give any name for the profile, and I will be giving like employee for this one. And this is the depth you have to scan. Like in employee there are certain levels, so you can select any level of the data table. So this is I'm selecting one, and you can pick the table. You can directly upload the details to the table, to the database table. So I can select any table from here. Okay, I have to type some name. I'm selecting employee table. Employee. So I can select directly. I can select this one or any other table. So and you can create, and there's a tick for that, create and upload data to a temporary table. You can, before uploading to a table, you can create a temporary table, and you can upload those files. So I will pick just di employee. Oops. Okay, I select HSHR employee table. As this, you can create any table because of the okay. To go. Yeah, sorry. Oh, it will take some time. Okay, anyway, for now I will show you some templates I have done. So let's go to the, when you have created the database wizard, there's a profile for that. So you can generate, this is table profiles. These are the things I have created earlier. So about employee information, I can edit employee information. Then there's, I'm facing a bit of internet problem. So about, okay. When you're creating a table profile, this will look like this. So you can figure out whether you are allowing null, what is the key, and whether you show in that field or not. Like this, you can create something like profile. So this is basically the profile. And you can go back to the menu, and you can generate the Excel. So according to the profile, they will automatically generate the Excel. So you have to download the Excel file. So for employee information, I'm downloaded this Excel file. This is my Excel file. This this is my Excel file, and I can fill out data details, and I can upload it to the system. So I will be uploading a Excel. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I will upload, like, I have downloaded the employee and I'm uploading this employee file. Okay, just let me show you the Excel file. This is what I'm gonna upload. So these are the details of my Excel files, and I'm gonna upload this file. I've saved the file and I'm gonna upload the okay, like this. You can upload any file. There are we have created up to 7 templates for the IAM module. So you can upload any of these files to the system, and you can, like, I can show you something in emergency. Okay, if this number is wrong, the employee number, the system will generate a message like this. If something is invalid, the system will generate errors. And the thing is, you can figure out, like, there are certain levels, like if the employee is internal, you have to specify a employee number, right? So there are circumstances. You can we can configure these circumstances according to the scenario. That's the best part in this data import tool. From the, like, I can show you, like, in this, for example, if the contact type is internal, you have to specify a uh, contact person, I mean telephone number, if internal only. So we can create these rules from the this one, from the SP we are doing that thing. So this is basically the data import tool. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Yeah, we have created like templates. Yeah, standard. Yeah, templates. So you can configure those templates to like according to the your system or something. You can. Yeah, we can have that also. We can configure that to according to the company. This is just examples, so we can configure that from the database, from the first one. From this one, you can pick a table, any table. So you can upload anything, like configure. You can configure. It's not a problem. And yeah, you have to. Yeah, you have to modify the tables according to the scenario. Like in Zenit, if there are only 10 fields and other company have 20 fields, so you have to configure the 20 fields. It's not a big deal. This one. So I guess there's no any questions, right? You can configure, like, if someone doesn't want the like, if you say currency type, so you can untake it. So that's what we can do. And we can from this one, this is SP. So we can have some rows. If some, like say branch code is like in Sri Lanka, if there's a branch code SA001, and if someone is wants to check that it begins with the SL, we can also check that. We can configure to do that one. So I guess it's clear about it, right? It's not a big module. So this is basically for bulk data uploads and for the master uploads. So you can do each and everything here from the rows and all, but you can do some of the things from the system. So initial phase, this is really important because people have so many data. So like we have tested this into 10,000 records, like 5 or 6 minutes. Within 5 or 6 minutes, we have tested like more than 10,000 data. I think we are creating something like for the shift and all. So you can use this concept into those data as well. It's not a big deal. So are you clear about it or any questions? So hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 10,000. Yeah, it will upload. The best thing is when you have uploaded one record and you're uploading it twice. I mean, like there's a small mistake, I guess. Okay, like if, for example, take this one, and if you have like calling name is wrong, you have uploaded it in the wrong way, so you can create the right one and upload it again. The record will be updated. If the error comes, it will be uploaded. Anyway, it will be uploaded not with the errors. The errors will be kept and the other records will be uploaded. No, I mean like it's not, we are not not the tool creating the error that this is name is wrong. I mean, if you, I'm the one who uploading the Excel sheet and I know this brain name is wrong. I have made a mistake. So you, if you want to upload again, you can upload. You, I think you got me right. It's basically the updating the details. No, no, it won't say. It will be automatically updated. It's not inserting another record or what. It will automatically update the record. So if you want another record, that will that also can be done. But basically, we have what we have focus is normally against the employee number is unique, right? So that's what we have done. So I guess there's no any more questions, right? And for the user defined phase, if you have a, we have something small guide I'll share with it with you. So you have to think this one, no, not this one. Okay. uh, this is user defined fields. Okay, and here what we have done is we have given like string value 1, string value 2, and boolean value 1, and date value 1 numeric also. So you can have like five from string values. So you might need not get me at the first place. So bear with me. In these string values, you can define four string user defined fields. It will be like say, so yeah, in the fields you can define like surnames or something. And in Boolean terms, you can define user defined field up to five. And in the system, you can define more than five or something. Like in this one, you can define numeric up to five from the, and you have to match those fields to this one. If your string value one is like get employee name, you have to map from the, there's a table, you have to map with this one. So you can upload data to that as well. From the mapping, after the mapping, you can upload data as for the user defined fields as well. So there's a small guide I have okay, wait. Yeah, for that I have I don't know. Um, I'll share with you. There's a small mapping, so you have to have that mapping. You have to do the mapping, and it is a like easy guide. So you have to do the mapping, and you can upload the user defined fields as well. So I think all are clear about it, right? I'll share with Gail the document, so she will send you guys. So let's sum up the session. Okay, thank you for bearing with me. And if you have any questions, please do ask at any time. Thank you.